Your new AEG touch control combination microwave oven has many innovative features to explore. Here, we'll get you started by explaining the basic settings for cooking some easy but delicious favourites, a roast chicken and a jacket potato in up to half the time with the help of AEG Combi Quick technology. To cook the perfect jacket potato, start by placing it onto a low oven shelf. As you'll be using a combi setting, your wire shelves are safe to use. Press the on-off button, then the heating function symbol to enter the sub-menu and scroll until you find the Turbo Grill plus microwave setting, which is sometimes also known as Grill plus Fan plus Microwave. Next, set the oven temperature to 230 degrees and adjust the wattage here. As jacket potatoes are dense, we recommend 600 watts. We're going to set the timer for 20 minutes, but you may need to adjust this based on the size, type and temperature of your potato. You can then press start to begin. The setting will combine grill, fan and microwave to achieve a delicious crispy golden skin and a light and fluffy centre. There are lots of ways you can cook a roast chicken in a multifunction oven, but using Combi Quick saves time with no reduction in taste or quality, making it perfect for midweek meals. To start cooking, put your seasoned chicken on a tray or trivet above a roasting pan and place onto a low shelf. We'll be using the Turbo Grill plus microwave setting to achieve rotisserie style chicken, but surround or true fan cooking is another excellent option. Set the oven temperature to 220 degrees and adjust the microwave wattage to 400 watts. Set a timer for around 40 to 50 minutes. However, the time needed will vary depending on the size and whether the chicken has come straight out of the fridge. You can then press Start to begin. For best results, we recommend turning the food halfway through cooking. Once complete, be sure to always check your food is cooked thoroughly. The result will be crispy, juicy, rotisserie-style chicken in around half the time. In order to get the most out of your appliance, we recommend familiarising yourself with all of the functions available on your new combination microwave oven. You'll find information on the functions in your user manual, which can be downloaded from the AEG website, as well as information on ideal cooking temperatures, shelf positioning and cooking duration for a range of recipes. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.